Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a new game, Babbaruka, a horror puzzle simulator where you play and explore a children's game that never got released, an MZ plugin by Unagi Otoro that adds subfolder support for plugins that do not support it, and a plugin by Gautam that displays a simple turn order in battles. Lastly, we have two new Tileset Packs, a tileset of glass windows by Hato and Gotcha Gotcha Games, and Tuscan Seaside tiles by Coco Reflections and Komodo. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.